Find a polynomial for the surface area of this right rectangular solid. Well, the surface area is going to be, we'll find it in three different sections. We have a side of this, an end of this box that has dimensions 5 by a, and the other end has the same dimensions. So the area of those two parts of the box would be 2 times 5 times a. 5 times a is the area of 1, and we're multiplying by 2. We also have a section of the box that has a length of 9 and a height of 5, so the area of that is going to be 9 times 5, and we have 2 of those. So we'll have 2 times 9 times 5. And then finally we have a part of the box that has dimensions a by 9. And we have, that would be the top and the bottom of the box, and we have 2 of those. So the area of those two would be 2 times a times 9. And let's do these multiplications. 2 times 5 times a is 10a. This is 2 times 9 times 5, or 90. And 2 times a times 9 is 18a. 10a plus 18a is 28a. So I have 28a plus 90 for the surface area, and when we look over at our choices, we see that that's choice B. So this is the correct answer.